Year 1972. The famine of 1972 is still in the memories of every Indian. It was not just food and water, but it also affected employments and earning sources. In such crucial time, Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh Janakalyan Samiti for helping and rehabilitating flood and famine-affected people. The famine of 2012-13 destroyed the lives of many farmers. Due to water scarcity, many had to leave their farms and houses. During these hard times, Janakalyan Samiti took a step of rehabilitating and developing water resources for the famine-affected villages. Janakalyan Samiti helps in the following: distribution of water tanks, supply of water through tanks, feed depot, shed for animal, Annapurna Yojana. Also, water resource development work. In the past 3 years, Janakalyan Samiti did remarkable work in over 30 different locations by cleaning lakes, wells, widening and deepening water channels and canals. Due to this, hundreds of acres of land turned to green patch. This success is due to cooperation of the villagers, government support and many big-hearted donors. Without their support, the work may not have been completed.
हमारी नज़रों में जन कल्याण जो ये संस्था है वो सबसे पहले वो उभर के आई क्योंकि उनके जो सारे काम हमने सुने थे कि जो उन्होंने किया है देश भर में जो सारे काम किए हैं और जिस मेहनत से, जिस लगन से, जिस ईमानदारी से वो काम हुए हैं उससे काफ़ी देश को एक फ़ायदा हुआ है। तो हमने जल कल्याण को अप्रोच किया।
डिस्ट्रिक्ट अहमदनगर, विलेज दैत्यनांदूर.
दैत्यनांदूरवाल्यांनी पण अवघ्या 7 दिवसामध्ये सगळं गाव एकत्र आलं, संघटित झालं आणि त्यांनी अवघ्या 7 दिवसामध्ये 1 लाख रुपयाचा चेक जनकल्याण समितीला दिला.
Janakalyan Samiti took up their next challenge in this unique village called Daityanandur. Here, villagers mostly work as daily wagers in the sugarcane fields. When they came to know about the work of the Janakalyan Samiti in Eknathwadi, the people decided to repeat the same success story in their own village. The work started on 13th October 2013 with the echo of earth-moving machinery. The use of sediments and slink and the crushed rock sand was pre-decided and planned. The deepening and widening of the canal was progressing at great speed. People worked from day till night.
या भागातले जे शेतकरी आहेत त्या ठिकाणी त्यांना कुठल्याही प्रकारचं येणं-जाणं करता किंवा दळणवळण करता या ठिकाणी येता येत नव्हतं.
Over 280 meter long, 20 meter wide and 5 meter deep work was done. The monsoon filled the canal with its fresh water and also overflowed the joy and expectations of the farmers.
माझ्या एरियाला फुल पाणी आलं ती 24 तास उपसत नाही मोटर चालली तरी आणि आता मी इथं ठिबकद्वारे आज 2 एकर कांद्याची लागवड करीत आहे.
Due to cooperation and help, the Samiti has done excellent work in some villages in Marathwada such as Talwada, Dahigawan, Ner, Zamb, Kasargaon, Bhogaon, and also some villages in the western Maharashtra region like Parshi, Pimpode Budruk, Eknathwadi, Patewadi, Balam Takri, and Daityanandur.
हे जे वारंवार दुष्काळ प्रवण जे जिल्हे किंवा तालुके आहेत अशामध्ये काम करण्याचा जनकल्याण समितीचा मानस आहे. निधीची उपलब्धता आणि कार्यकर्त्यांची उपलब्धता याच्यामध्ये यावरती हे किती ठिकाणी काम केलं जाईल अशी अवलंबून आहे. परंतु मला असं निश्चित वाटतं की गेल्या 3 वर्षात जर आपण 30 ठिकाणी काम केली तर पुढच्या वर्षामध्ये अजून 30 ठिकाणी देखील अशा प्रकारचे कामं होऊ शकतील.
Help to overcome famine fury over mankind. This year too, famine has brought pain and hunger among many villages and lakhs of villagers. There's no drinking water, feed for animals, and hence to fulfill the needs of these villagers, Samiti intends to work round the clock. Please participate in this divine work by contributing funds, time, and your skill for this. Please give a missed call to Janakalyan Samiti and we will reach you. Our phone number 022 3381 4111. Please give a missed call now.